Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Documentation is a crucial aspect of software development, and Python API documentation is no exception. Clear and well-documented APIs enable developers to understand how to use your code, making it easier for them to integrate your library or framework into their projects. In this tutorial, we'll explore the process of documenting a Python API using the Sphinx documentation tool with the reStructuredText markup language. We'll also cover code examples using the popular library requests for making HTTP requests. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. Python, ensure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from python.org. Sphinx, install Sphinx using the following command. Requests, install the requests library for making HTTP requests, used for code examples. Create a new Sphinx project. Follow the prompts to configure your project. You can choose the default options for most questions. Write your documentation. Open the index.rst file in the source directory and start documenting your API. Use the reStructuredText markup language for formatting. Docstrings. Use docstrings to describe your classes, functions, and modules. Sphinx will extract these docstrings to generate documentation. Automatically documenting code. To automatically generate documentation for your entire project, use the Autodoc extension. Edit your conf.py file to include. Then, use the following directive in your documentation. Creating a code example. In your documentation, include code examples to demonstrate how to use your API. Use the code block directive with the appropriate syntax highlighting. Testing code examples. Use the doctest extension to test code examples. Add the following to your conf.py. Then, include examples in your docstrings. Run tests with. Build documentation. Build your documentation using the following command in your project's root directory. View documentation. Open the generated HTML files located in the build directory to view your documentation. Effectively documenting your Python API is essential for promoting its usability and adoption. With Sphinx and reStructuredText, you can create professional and user-friendly documentation that enhances the developer experience. Additionally, incorporating code examples ensures that users can quickly understand and implement your API in their projects. ChatGPT.